So I'm currently planning a photo shoot for tomorrow, which I'm really excited for because I haven't done like a profesh photo shoot in so long. Like I literally don't remember the last time I did an actual photo shoot. So I hired a photographer. I basically want to get like kind of creative headshots for Hermana, the website, my IG, and also some Self-Care Sunday promo pics. So I've been planning like little mood boards. I booked a studio for tomorrow that I went to go look at today. It's very cute. It's super like Instagrammy, but also they have like a private room for basically just like headshots and kind of more private space. So I'm working on the Notion page right now. I will show you guys some of the mood boards that I'm working on.
Okay, so this is the Notion page that I made as inspo for my photo shoot. The location is Snap Photo Studio, right downtown on Stephen Ave. So all the little details there. That's the actual studio space that I booked. I'm gonna be using a white backdrop though, instead of a black. And then this is my mood board of like some poses that I really like. I want to do some kind of dreamy Self-Care Sunday stuff with some cute dresses that I have. And then that's more about like the backdrops at the location, some inspo for downtown afterwards, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, welcome to the venue. This is Snap Photo Club. They have a ton of like Instagrammable walls. And this is the one I'm most excited for. Then if we keep walking all the way over here, we have the studio. Change, and I'm obsessed with this pink wall. Say hi! This is Megan. I'll link you in the video. Outfit change / location change. Teatro. Just doing some fun like casual shots, literally just for fun.